Hi there, my name is Joanna King and I'm the owner and top rock at Wish Rock Relaxation. I am live from the High Point Furniture Market and in the American Leather showroom here in North Carolina. Right now I'm in front of the Comfort Solace Lanier Zero Gravity Power Recliner. I really like this chair because it is fully customizable. You can pick from any of their 500 premium leathers and fabrics to match your decor perfectly, which is really nice. This chair is different from all the other chairs in the Comfort Air lineup because you have the ability to independently control the backrest and the leg rest, and it also has a power pillow too, which is really nice. So if you see these three buttons down here, the first one will control the leg rest, and you push it forward to bring it out. And then the next button over here controls the backrest. And then the third button will give you that power pillow. As you can see, the pillow's coming up. And that's really a nice feature, specifically when you're reading or you're watching TV or you want to take a nap. It just depends on what you're looking to do. But the power pillow allows you to find that perfect sweet spot for your neck, which is really special. The Lanier Solace has a USB-C charger right here in the side quick control panel here. So you can plug in your USB-C device right there to make sure that you never run out of power while you are relaxing and enjoying. This chair also has a 360-degree swivel, and you can customize the base to be a disc base or a star base as well, which is really a nice feature. The Comfort Air series comes in 3 different models. There's the Comfort Air Motion Chair, the Comfort Echo Recliner, and then the top of the line Comfort Air Solace, which is the chair that we're talking about right now. So I would love to show you a little bit more and show you just how far back this chair can go when you are in the zero gravity position. So I am pushing the first button to raise the legs, and now I'm going to recline myself back. And as you can see right now, my legs are above my heart level, and being in this position literally will remove all the pressure from your spine. And then I can raise the power pillow up, and let's say I want to change, I just can independently control both the back and the leg rest for an infinite positioning feel, which is really more of a wellness chair than anything else. But think of it as a wellness chair on steroids, which will allow you the opportunity to feel super comfortable and keep the decor and fashion sense. We are a service-disabled, veteran-owned small business out of Golden, Colorado, and are family-operated. We are experts in the wellness space and really love working with American Leather. Please feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text at 803-574-9474, and we'll be happy to help you however we can. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, Wish Rock Relaxation 7454. We would love to help you. I hope to someday be able to welcome you to our Wish Rock family. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch my video.